I'm going to show you how to make kale pesto. The recipe is taken from the B-Plate cookbook and it calls for 1 pound of kale with the ribs removed. You can do this by holding the kale upside down and peeling down with your other fingers. Then you chop the kale leaves into small half-inch pieces. Then you're going to put all the kale in a pot that has some way to strain it later. You're going to want to boil some water, and while you're waiting for that you can prepare an ice bath. Once the water is boiling, you're going to boil the kale for 2 minutes. After the kale is boiled, you're going to want to put it in the ice bath for 1 minute and then dry the kale leaves off. You're also going to mince some garlic. You're also going to want to shred 1 3/4 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese. The liquid base of the pesto calls for 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. You also need to add 2 tablespoons of water and 1 3/4 teaspoons of lemon juice. I added everything to a food processor. After grinding all the ingredients together, you slowly add more and more olive oil until you are done. And there you have it. You now have fresh delicious pesto which you can mix on pasta to create a delicious meal.